Hey YouTube, 905 Supreme here, and in today's video I'll be sharing with you guys the Air Jordan 1 Smoke Gray Life Cop, along with some random stuff I've been copping over the past couple months. Good luck and have fun. See you on the other side.
Oh my god, my capture isn't loading and it's slow fading. Kill me. Kill me now. Kill me now.
Nothing on Kith. Did Kith drop on the wrong EL?
Yep. Dude, that shit's a movie for me. D. What about you? Oh, I got one. Let's go. That's 5.5.
My boy,
Ganesh.
Ganesh.
Kodak got one. Nice. Oh, Kodak's cooking, I think. Oh man, team's eating.
The team eating?
6 carded on Ganesh. 8 carded on Ganesh now. I think it's the time, Ethan. I think it's time. 9 carded on Ganesh. Damn, we got a decline with Cyberman.
Who? Okay, submitting orders. Submit, baby.
Submitting?
Come on, come
Let's
on.
submit,
I
let's
got
submit.
2 on submitting. Come on. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We love cyber.
I got another one on Ganesh. What action? Everyone needs dude that's
Ah,
everyone's getting canceled.
oh,
Oh,
payment client. JD? Yo, did JD Sports come through?
He's cooking. And tofu. Let's go. Oh damn man. JD Sports. Yo, JD Sports is popping off. What the hell? Man. And I got 16. Don't sleep on Typre. How is Matthew cooking? I don't get it. How do you cook on Cyber? This is not possible. There's something wrong with our Cyber, but something good is happening with Matthew's Cyber. I think he just sucks Cyber's dick so much that he just.
Thank you, Cyber. So, a little bit of a drop recap. As you guys just saw, I was able to check out with Cyber, NSB, and AMB. I had about 10 checkouts, and then my friends running Ganesh just absolutely destroyed. The proxies I use for this drop, like always, is Zoom Elites and Zoom DCs, and you can find them on Twitter as Zoom Proxies, and my cook group, of course, is as Zoom Notify, providing all early links, information, backdoors, and everything you need to start cooking. And if you have any questions, you can DM me at Itsybui, and if you want to stay tuned, you can see some random Air Jordan 14 Toro checkouts, and just stuff that I've been copying randomly. Get it. So as you guys just saw, I've been just copying random stuff here and there. Nothing too much to have an individual video, so that explains the lack of uploading videos. But yeah, the dopest things would have to be Nike Zoom Alpha Flies. Things are super light and really perfect for running. And some Richie Lee stuff. And that's it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. And see you guys in the next video.